Hi, I'm Laura Bartow from Studio One Stampers, and it's September 2023, and that means it's almost time for fall, and I have a great class all set for you to get ready for fall. I have developed 6 beautiful fun folds. Here they are, and they use this wonderful autumn leaves stamp set and the matching dies. There are a gazillion different dies in here, and they all coordinate beautifully with the stamp set. And then there's this beautiful All About Autumn Designer Series paper. It's got photographic images on the front and beautiful foils on the back. It's always so hard to decide which side is my favorite. And then I've got these 6 great cards. Each one of them is a unique fold, and they all use the products that I've just showed you. If you're doing the class at home, you'll need to have the stamp set and the dies, and some inks. That's just about all you'll need, maybe a few other things. But also for this class, I've put a second class together for you with my framed art. And look at how fun this is. You're going to love having this in your home, or it would even make a perfect gift if you want to make more than one. So let's take a closer look at the cards, how they open up, a little closer look at our framed art, and let me show you all about it. Well, I have had just so much fun in this catalog. This catalog starts September 6th and goes through December or January. And let me show you what we're working with. This is the beautiful All About Autumn suite. It's got the autumn leaf stamp set and all of these great products in the whole suite. You can purchase the whole suite, or you can purchase the bundle. You can purchase everything individually, but I have to show you these products up close. They just are so fantastic. This is such an important suite that it even has an extra page showing you more samples with the stamp set and the bundle. Well, let me show you what these products look like. So here's what all of these great dies look like. And here's the beautiful stamp set. And you can see, of course, that our dies cut out the stamps. They also have lots of extra dies in here to give you all kinds of really fun, creative choices. There is this fantastic textured tile embossing folder. We've got these gorgeous little dots, and they've got a little bit of shimmer to them. I don't know if you can see that. And they're called adhesive backed speckled dots. And they're just fun because they're, of course, in all these matching colors. We've got this ribbon here as well. And then we've got the oxidized, I think it's called oxidized, I don't know. Anyway, this gorgeous, gorgeous designer series paper here. And then I can't wait to show you this fantastic paper. Look at this paper. It's just absolutely gorgeous. It's got photos on one side, and then on the opposite side, it's got all of these gorgeous, gorgeous scenes. Beautiful photography for the fall. Look at all these great scenes. And I think the only trouble I'm going to have is figuring out which side of the paper to use, because they're absolutely gorgeous. So this whole set is using many of these products for this class. So let's go ahead and look at these great cards. So let me pull the first one in. So here is this one. And this is called a faux step card, and that's because it's just done with a couple of pieces as opposed to done with actually cutting the one piece of paper out. And of course the message goes inside there. Now I've used the just wanted to say dies for many of these. It's hard to read these backwards. I'm not so good at reading backwards, but this is the Celebrate die, so that's the one that goes here in Celebrate, and then here is the backing one to really make it stand out. So that's what I've used for several of the cards. Well, let's look at the Happy Birthday card. So here's the Happy Birthday card, and this is really a fun double tower card, or I don't know what you call it, but it stands up, it's beautiful, and it fits right into an envelope by just pushing it to one side. So that's our Happy Birthday card. What a great greeting that is. And then look at this one. Here is our Get Well card. Feel better soon. It comes in the envelope like that, pops open, and then actually opens up again with a spot for your message. So that's a really fun card. And look at the sparkle on that. Isn't that fun? And look at how well it goes with the photographic image that's in there as well. Now let's move on to the next card, and this one is a triple fold card. Can you see how it stands up like that? It actually has 3 different layers. It's got the layer with the greeting, a beautiful panel of designer paper, and then the message and a spot to write a little note in there as well. So that's our triple level layer card. And then here's another one that's really different as well. This is called the book flap card because it actually forms a book. So you can see how it forms a book. And then inside is the jacket. So it's a jacket flap card. So jacket flap card, I don't know, whatever you call it. Anyway, isn't that fun with this beautiful photography on there? And then here's our last card, and this one is an angled tri-level card. So it's got the pointed level there. I don't know if you can see the great little bit of embossing on there, and then you open it up to see this beautiful scenery, and then open it again for your message. So it's a tri-fold, and those are the cards that we have. Now I've got one other project that I want to show you, and that's our framed art project. And here it is. Isn't that just adorable? This is a separate class, so you can do the cards, or you can do the framed art, or you can do both. They happen at the same time. And this one doesn't require purchasing any of the products. Everything comes as a kit, and so you can just basically assemble this anywhere, anytime, using the video on how to do it. So that's my wonderful introduction to fall. I hope that you enjoy these cards and will want to do this class either in person or at home. Happy fall!